The first reason why earth angels get stuck into poverty is because they get into the martyr and service contracts where they want to help everybody. I'll sacrifice myself for everybody. And so you get into this energy and you get into this timeline of always wanting to save people. Stop trying to save everybody. There's a difference between your soul's assignment and healing the planet versus trying to save everybody, because everybody does not want to be saved. And you have to recognize that you are only supposed to help and save the people who are open to receiving it. So you're not supposed to carry that weight. Okay? Yeah, don't do that. Okay? The next one, how you get yourself into poverty contracts is that through ancestral and religious programming. So families and churches often still money is evil, the poor are closer to God. And so we don't never think about our wealth, and God wants us to. The most craziest trick that the enemy use is to make us think that we're not supposed to think about wealth because there's something wrong with it. Oh, you're being greedy and all of that. Yeah, it's the craziest thing. Earth angels internalize this as purity equals poverty. And they do it subconsciously. Sometimes they don't realize that they're actually doing it. The next one is spiritual hijacking. Spiritual hijacking. Dark forces know how powerful earth angels are. And so one of the easiest way to neutralize them is to keep them broke. That's the easiest way that the enemy can get to an earth angel, is to keep them broke. So they limit their voice, their visibility, their movement, and their global impact. Dark forces that hijack people's timelines, their crowns, their soul mission, and as well as their vault. Yeah, how they do it is attach a parasite to you that keeps on ciphering your wealth. hmm And the next one that blocks and keeps earth angels in poverty is overgiving without circulation. Earth angels often heal, teach, or pour into others, but they don't anchor their energetic exchange. If you're an earth angel, you know what I'm talking about, where you want to pour into everybody else, but no one gives you that same energy back. And so they forget. Okay, they just completely forget. It's almost like people have no energetic consciousness that they're taking something, even if it's just you helping them with advice or anything. It could be the smallest thing. So this creates burnout, and it keeps the earth angel in a stuck cycle, always giving but never receiving. That stops today. Earth angels are meant to be wealthy. Yes, wealthy. 1,000 times over. And the reason that they're supposed to be wealthy is because of covenant law. It's their heir in their divine right. Okay? Wealth is written already into their soul contract as resources for their mission. It's already written that you're supposed to be wealthy. You are also supposed to be wealthy because of the kingdom blueprint that is tied to your actual DNA. Poverty is a distortion. And so wealth is actually meant to fund your calling. You can't do your calling and do your work in poverty. I can't do what I do being broke. You see what I'm saying? How am I going to travel, do schools, talk, do healing work, projects, and all of that, and I don't have no funds? You see what I'm saying? It's not designed for that. It's not designed. You're not designed for poverty. The next one is the spiritual truth. When you understand the spiritual truth that you're supposed to be wealthy, which is God does not send his angels to earth with empty hands. He sends them with a vault of provision, but they must learn how to open it first. So yeah, God put that little stigma on it. You gotta learn how to open it first. I'm going to give it to you, but you got to learn how to open it. So God put that little stigma on it. If you are someone that is tired of being in poverty or going in cycles, and you want to feel free and you want to be in an overflow of your provision, please contact me. Okay? I want you to understand that earth angels that stay stuck in poverty are operating in distorted contracts. When they cancel those and step back into covenant alignment, wealth becomes their natural state, and this takes time to do. Once I go in and I cancel the contracts and I reseal your covenant, it takes 60 to 90 days when you're operating in your containers to rebuild your wealth, to start rebuilding. It's a rebuilding phase after you've been under attack. You have to heal and then you have to rebuild. Okay? I want to leave you with this. Poverty dims their light. Okay? It dims your light. Okay? Wealth funds their mission. That's why, yes, earth angels are meant to be wealthy, because their wealth is never just for themselves. It's for the healing and the elevation for the collective. How many of you say, this is how you know this message is for you. How many of you say, if I had all of that money, if I had that money, I would do this for the world. I would do this for children. I would do that for this person. You know, you will always do something for somebody else outside of yourself. It's almost like you would think about the money and the things that you would really never even do for yourself. You think about everybody else. That's how you know you're an earth angel, and that's how you know, okay, that you are designed to be wealthy, not stuck in poverty, poverty loops, poverty codes, and poverty contracts.